Suppose you have purchased your hosting from Hostinger and bought your domain from GoDaddy. Now you want to create a website and connect your GoDaddy domain with it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain with your website on Hostinger. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you my domain. This is the temporary domain. Hostinger automatically connected with my website. So I want to replace this one with my GoDaddy domain. So to replace this one, you can see there is connect domain button. I will click on it and then type my domain which I have on my GoDaddy account. So I will log into my GoDaddy account, go to my products and copy that domain from here. So I will copy this domain from here and paste it on the search bar on Hostinger. So I will copy it, return back to my Hostinger account and paste it over here. So it will give suggestions and also show this exact domain as well. So my internet is a little slow. So you can see here is the first one. Do you own this domain? Use it. And it also mentioned that this domain is registered on another provider. So I will click on next and then your domain will be added here, but now you will have to do a lot more steps here. Domain is added to your site. You will need to redirect DNS servers here. So I will click on continue and over here you can see that domain is visible here, but we need to do a lot of things. So I will click on check guide and then it will show two options. You can connect via name server or DNS records. So name server is better choice. So from here you will need to copy this name server number 1 and replace your GoDaddy name server with this one. So return back to your GoDaddy account and then go to the domain, and from here you need to replace your DNS servers. You need to replace your name servers, not DNS. So go to DNS and here you will find name servers. The third one is the name server. Click on it and just click on change name servers. Then choose I will use my own name servers and paste first one here. Then return back to the Hostinger, copy the second one, return to your GoDaddy account. On the second name server, paste that and click on save. After that you need to verify your ownership. Click on continue and verify and then verify your identity. You will receive an OTP on your phone number or email address. You will have to type it over here and it will redirect your name servers to the Hostinger. So just wait for a moment and now I will receive an OTP on my phone number and I will have to type it over here. After typing the OTP, click on verify code and it will verify your identity and redirect your name servers to Hostinger. So just wait for a moment and you will see a success message here. Your request is in progress. Then click on refresh over here and it will redirect your name servers to Hostinger. Now return back here and I have uploaded name servers. I have updated name servers. Click on it and then click on notify me by email when my domain connection is completed. It will take up to 24 hours. So wait till that time and then click on close and your name server configuration or name server migration will going to start. So if you return back to our website page, you can see domain is connecting and here is a check guide button over here. So it will take up to 24 hours and then we will see it again if our domain is redirecting to Hostinger website or not. So my domain was successfully connected with Hostinger. If I go to the domain and show you, this domain is right now on an external server. So if I open it, you can see it will open my website which I have created for my client. So in this way you can connect your GoDaddy domain with your Hostinger hosting. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel.